Relax.
Where's that? Where's Shane?
That fool's way over there, though. Hey, he's taking the street, fool. Hey, he's taking the street, dick. No, because... Hey, nah, that's not good, fool, because...
Yeah, he's taking the street. Because the cop's trying to help. Shane was trying to go over the whoops. He was his girlfriend was...
I don't know, dude.
Shane, no, they told me. She was like... Yeah,
where's the cop at? Where's the cop at? You still see him?
He's on the street, fool. Wait the fuck over there. Look.
Right there, huh?
By the time we get out, fool, he's gonna be like, he's probably already radio. There's probably motherfuckers already waiting for us.
Already coming out, waiting for us.
That would be.
Hey, we got this on that.
On the beers.
I ain't trying to flip over. We're good. Oh, I hit the shit out of my head, fool. Oh, the slow.
Hey, put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Throw the beer out. Throw the beer out.
Oh, fuck. You hit my head.
Damn. Oh.
What the heck?
Fuck, bro.
Are you serious?
Go.
No.
Oh, dude.
Get this back. Get this back. On down.
Damn. Hold on. Put pressure on.
No, hey, put your seatbelt on.
Hey, put pressure on.
Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
My head is on. Nah, dude. What do you think?
I'm still here. Hey, no, back. Relax, bro. Relax.
Does it hurt, Omar? A little bit.
There's a little bit, bro, but I don't know.
Wait. Hey, what part of your head, though?
It's like on the top nuts. They hit my head like fuck right here.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, that keep pressure on.
Hey, was there a lot of blood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your face.
Hey, shit. Fucking insurance, bro. I can't do this shit.
Where do we go back? Do we go back to my house? Saturday?
Yeah, we're not worried about battery and stuff.
Oh,
Fuck.
What the fuck? Look at my ceiling.
Blood all over him.
hey, you're still on my foot.
I don't know, dude. Nah, it's cool. Just keep pressure on. You're cool. Damn.
Now we really can't get stuck. Get stuck. Cops come on and take a fucking shit. Hey, relax. I can't hit my head again. Relax.
It's not.
Hey, you can't rest, Nick. Put your seatbelt right there. Let's go. If I hit my head again, fool, that's gonna split open.
Put it on. Hey, scoot over to the right, Omar. Scoot over to the right, Omar.
Wait.
Sorry. Fucking tell me, Dick, slow down. Fool, I can't hit that shit again.
Hey, that's why you gotta put your seatbelt on. Put the middle seatbelt on. Get it over your leg. Get under the side. Head over. Head on.
Here, just like sit on it.
Balancing up and down.
Ah, my seatbelt.
Hold on, wait for your butt, Dick. Keep pressure on it. Yeah, I got a little bit of pressure here.
Is the seatbelt on? Is the seatbelt on?
Yeah, but his on right now.
Alright. It's on. Tighten it. Make sure his is tight though.
I think we're straight. I think the cops aren't, they're not gonna get chill,
All right.
dude. Let's see if Shane fucking has some shit at home. Relax, be careful. Yeah, how much blood is on my face?
That was a lot before.
Yeah.
That was cool. Yeah.
I can feel the cut.
Oh, shit. Fucking kid, bro. Sorry, dude. I gotta look at the road. Mob real quick. Alright.
Damn. Hey.
It feels fucking bleeding.
I can't hit my head no more. Relax. How much blood is on the rag?
A lot.
A lot? Like for real?
Fool! Omar cut his head open!
Omar cut his head open, dude.
He's bleeding all over my seat right now, dude.
Yeah.
He's bleeding all over
the top.
He's bleeding all over my seats right now.
My house. We gotta check it out. My house. Omar cut his head.
Hey, so he was saying something to your tires or something.
It's your clutch.
That's not my clutch, really.
Just careful. Oh, it's the pain.
Huh?
Oh, it's the pain for his quick releases.
Hey, does it hurt right now?
I just feel like it feels like a
sore
cut.
a little bit, huh?
Nah, it just feels like a cut.
Like a cut. Alright, hey, we'll go back to my house. We'll clean you up when we're alright. If anything, we'll take you to the hospital, dude.
Nah, fuck that, dude. I can't go.
No?
Nah. There's no way, dude.
Go back Mobbin to the yard.
Hey, watch out, fool. There could be cops right here.
Cops are here. Yeah, be careful.
Oh, fuck, but I got my keys.
Hey, what's cracking? Where's all the weed? Where's the weed?
Let's see some shit happening. You're gonna need to go circle.
Huh?
I hit my head.
Hey, party right there.
What? Okay, go in the garage and there's a box. No, go in the garage. Where's my mom at? Okay, just go in the garage and you know where I have my alarm thing, like that white thing? There's like a white thing, what's it called? Like where my dad houses little tools and shit. You gotta go on the other side of the Cadillac. And there's like an alarm thing. I'm not gonna fucking find it. Hey, fool, we're gonna have to go back to my house. Get the keys real quick.
Are your parents there? Are your parents there?
Yeah, okay, there should be a key in that box. Okay, she got the keys. You can go back to. Wait, Sergio, you got.